Good morning, guys. Good morning. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Judy, aka the Black Vegan Queen. And welcome back to my channel, Judy's Natural Balance. All my new subscribers. Hey, and my old subscribers, what's up? Welcome back to day 3. Today is Thursday, February the 27th. And as you can see, guys, I am lying in the bed. Okay, because I've been up. I've been up actually all night long. Um, a family situation, and I was worried, and I've been up, and so I wasn't gonna put my glasses on, and actually I don't really. So yeah. So today it's going to be productive because you know that I'm going to be preparing for my fast. And yesterday you see me juicing. Oh my God, you guys, I don't know what happened to my juicer. Like, it worked when I used it. The last time it was working, like, there's nothing could be wrong because I juice, I clean it, and store it and put it where it belongs. So I'm trying to figure out, like, what's the deal with this juicer. So you see that I had to switch to my Ninja. Now, you notice the difference when you're juicing. You don't have to separate the extract. It does it for you, because on one side it has the extraction and then the other side your juice. But when you do it manually and with the your blender, because your blender, I don't know if all blenders are like this or not, but I know the Ninja, it does. And I think my older Hamilton blender has liquid on there, so you can use liquid, which that's the like juicing. So that's what I use on my Ninja. It look like it's getting dark, guys. So that's what I use on my Ninja. So let me turn my light on. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, and so that's what I use on my my Ninja. And yeah, so I finished that up, got my juicing, I got my jars and stuff like that. So this morning I went back to bed because I was worried, and I found out information that I needed to. So I kind of just went back to bed. I haven't really done anything. I, did my prayers and meditated and stuff like that. I'm going to always do that. And so that's that. And oh, my eyebrows, I only have one on my other eyebrow. But anyway, this is me. So today I was going to take you on a vlog. I was going to do a vlog today, but tomorrow. So stuff has been rearranged today after I got my news. So tomorrow I'll be taking you on a vlog and be spending the day with my daughter. So yeah, so all my new subscribers, what I'd like for you to do is to watch the video and to subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get all the notifications when your girl Judy is going live or uploaded a new video. And I'd like for you to comment and say congratulations. You're like, this has been a journey. If you go back to the first video, day 1, you'll see that I have been going through wow. So I just want to update you guys, because I'm not going to be long, to let you know that right now YouTube accepted my first video. Day 2 video is going to be loading, and then we have day 3. So I'm going to be coming back to back. Then you have second parts like of the video as well. But I think the first day 1 you have a 2-part. Well, day 1 you have the first video, and then you have a short. And then yesterday was just a 2-part, all in the same day. I'm just trying to bring a lot of content. Oh God, you just don't know how tired I am, and I'm looking like I can't see either. I'm so sleepy. I am so sleepy. But yeah, so new subscribers, I want you to do this also. Share with your friends. Share with your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your aunt, your uncle, your niece, your nephew, your teachers, your neighbors, everybody. Just share and let them know that Judy's Natural Balance is a new content creator, and welcome to my channel. So, yeah, guys, so I'm getting ready to get up. I'm going to take my shower, and then I'm going to come back with you guys. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my refrigerator. So, this is another thing to know about me that I don't know if I mentioned it in my first video, but one of the things that I've been doing for over 30 some years is I clean on Thursdays. I do cleaning on Thursdays. I've been doing this since I was a child, and we'll get into that. But I clean on Thursdays. So, and I clean everything, the whole house. And like I said, that now I am in an apartment, so it's small, and I really don't have a lot. And now it's just me, so I don't really have a lot to do, but I will have to clean my refrigerator out because I have so much food in there. And then there's food in there from the visitor that I had, and they left food, and I don't eat meat and stuff in there. So I'm going to be giving that away or either throwing it out. I don't like throwing out food because that's a sin. But yeah. So guys, I'm going to get back with you later. And yeah, so how's your morning? Happy Thursday. Praise God. So have a great morning, and remember to always have love in your heart and treat people with kindness wherever you go. Thank you, and subscribers, come back. So this is where I realized that I didn't have my mic on. Yeah, so I'm editing, and I realized I didn't have my mic on. So I decided that I wasn't going to cut the clip out because I wasn't. Um, I want everything to be edited because I took the time to talk, whether we know what I'm saying. But basically, I was just telling you, welcome back, and and that I was going to be juicing today, which I had said something earlier. So yeah, so we good. We're good. We're good. We're good. And that's the way it is. Yeah, the way it is. So now let's get into it.
I found the sweetest metaphors to describe everything that kept you from me and mine. None of them would ever fit the shade of your ambivalence. Oh, however nice the images I may find, I can be a rainbow, but you are colorblind. We won't match, it's no one's fault. Still, it took me by surprise. Oh, Go on, get lost before I lose my. Before I lose my. Get lost before I lose my. Before I lose myself. Aren't you tired of giving and getting the minimum? Aren't you tired of keeping on running away? Aren't you tired of building walls around your heart? Go on, get lost before I lose my. Before I lose my. Get lost before I lose my. Before I lose myself.
Okay, so here's the results, guys. There's the results. Yeah, there we go. Put everything organized. Everything's here organized on the door. Reorganized everything. So we are good to go. Good to go. Yeah. So, yeah. So thank you guys for sharing my Thursday routine, cleaning and cleaning my cleaning day. So this is my cleaning day. Another get to know who Judy is, and thank you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to share with your friends and your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your aunt, your uncle, your niece, your nephew, your neighbors. You guys, don't forget to share. Let them know Judy's Natural Balance channel is in effect. All right, now. I'm out of here.